backyard charcoal. So I start with just scraps of wood, pieces of trees that fall, brush I cut. You make a campfire incorrectly, right? And you don't let it burn out. You don't let it turn all to ash. And while it's burning and you just start to see the outer edges of the wood start to have that whitish look on it, then you douse it, and you're going to end up with a lot of charcoal. So all this with, obvious unburnt wood, I'm going to take that out, right? And that'll just be stacked up so you go through the next burn, right? All this more solid stuff will just go right back through, no problem. You can't do this wrong. If you burn too much, it turns to ash. Well, okay. You're not looking for optimizing efficiency in this process. Now, there are people who do. There are people who do this on like a professional level. They have special kilns, they have special ways. But if you take wood, I mean, look at what that's going to turn into, right? Crush that down. I douse this with pond water, right? So that inoculates it. I've given this a couple days. What I would prefer is that it also soak in rainwater, but it hasn't rained here in a while. So once you have this stays, right? You can crush this and get it down to a finer and finer powder, but it's not going anywhere. It's not being consumed. When you mix this in with soil, it's going to make it feel softer. It's going to increase its moisture holding capacity, and it gives a place for the small microbial life to live and hang out, right? You're putting apartments in the soil.